has segmented body, and also arthropods have external skeleton or exoskeleton like insects, and also jointed legs like this, jointed legs. Okay. This is the features of arthropods: segmented body, jointed legs, and the exoskeleton. In paper 4, if you asked about write the features of arthropods, only write segmented body, exoskeleton, and jointed legs. Segmented body, exoskeleton, and jointed legs. Arthropods have 4 classes. The first class, crustaceans. Crustaceans. The body is divided into 2 parts. Cephalothorax, that means head and thorax, and abdomen. And 2 pairs of antennae and compound eyes. And between 5 to 20 pairs of legs. Focus here about the number of legs, please. The number of legs. Okay. So here between 5 and 20 pairs of legs, like shrimps. Breathe using gills underwater. Is for crustaceans. Crustaceans, the main features: body is divided into 2 parts, cephalothorax, that means head and thorax, and abdomen. 2 pairs of antennae, compound eyes, between 5 and 20 pairs of legs, breathe using gills. Myriapods. Myriapods have many segments. Long body. It seems like worm. Long body and many segments. And the total number of legs depend on how many segments. Depend on how many segments is for myriapods. Long body, many segments. The total number of legs depend on how many segments they are. We have here myriapods divided into 2, centipedes and millipedes. Centipedes have 1 pair of legs, 1 pair of legs on each segment. So it is fast moving carnivores. What about millipedes? Have two pairs of legs on each segment. So it is slow moving herbivores. And also myriapods have 1 pair of antennae, not like crustaceans. Crustaceans 2 pairs of antennae. Here myriapods only 1 pair of antennae. Again, crustaceans, body divided into 2 parts, 2 pairs of antennae, between 5 and 20 pairs of legs, breathe using gills. Myriapods, centipedes and millipedes, long body and many segments. Total number of legs depend upon how many segments there are. Centipedes have 1 pair of legs on each segment, fast-moving carnivores. Millipedes have 2 pairs of legs on each segment, slow-moving herbivores, and 1 pair of antennae. Let's see the insects and arachnids and compare between them. Insects, body divided into 3 parts, but arachnids, body divided into 2 parts. Here, insects is divided into 3 parts, head and thorax and abdomen, but here 2 parts only. Cephalothorax, head and thorax, and abdomen. Insects have 3 pairs of jointed legs on the thorax, but Arachnids, 4 pairs of jointed legs. Here 8 legs, and here for insects 6 legs. Focus, again, focus for the number of legs. Insects have 2 pairs of wings. Some of insects, some species of insects have 2 pairs of wings and compound eyes. Here 1 pair of, but here in arachnids, no wings. No wings, like spider and scorpion, no wings. Insects have 1 pair of antennae on the head, but arachnids no antennae. Insects breathe through holes in the sides of the thorax and abdomen called spiracles. Spiracles. Like this. It's called spiracles. Okay. And covered by waterproof cuticle that stop them losing too much water and also can fly. Again, the features of insects. Body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. 3 pairs of jointed legs. Some species have 2 pairs of wings, compound eyes, 1 pair of antennae on head, breathe through holes in the spiracles. And covered by a waterproof cuticle that stop them losing too much water. Let's explain this part. Breathe through holes in the sides of the thorax and abdomen called spiracles. Air enters the spiracle, allowing oxygen to travel along a network of tubes called trachea to reach the cells in the insect's body. Air enters the spiracle, the small holes in the sides of the thorax and abdomen that allowing oxygen to travel along a network of tubes called trachea to reach the cells in the insect's body. This is how insects breathe through spiracles. Arachnid's body is divided into 2 parts, cephalothorax and abdomen, 4 pairs of jointed legs, and no wings, no antennae, and they have several pairs of simple eyes, not compound eyes like this. Have several pairs of simple eyes. Okay, Salma. Salma? Yeah,
Yes.
you have a question.
No, I was just raising my hand to answer question number 1.
News.
Yes, mister.
You have a question?
Yes, mister.
For what?
Are we required to learn about annelids and nematodes in IGCSE? Because when I saw some past papers, I found some questions for them.
Again? I didn't hear anything. News?
Mister, are we required to study about annelids and nematodes? Because I actually find some questions related to them.
Annelids?
And nematodes.
And nematodes, this is for worms. This part is cancelled.
Oh, okay, mister. Thank you.
This part, yes, this part is cancelled. From many years. على فكرة يعني from many years. Not only this year. Okay, look at the past paper from 2008, 2007, 2008. Okay. Rudain?
Mr. I have a question about
Okay,
what is the difference between simple eyes and compound eyes?
Okay. Simple eyes or simple eye and compound eye. Compound eye like this. تبص كده في الاي بتاعت الانسكت تلاقيها بص عامله ازاي كده وجواها بقى ايه حاجات صغيره كده كتيره 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 اسمها كومباوند اي. اوكي دي اسمها كومباوند كده اي جواها تحس ان هي جواها ايز كتيره. خلاص دي اسمها كومباوند ايه اي. لكن السمبل اي سمبل اي عادي خالص. بس احنا بنقول هنا have several pairs of simple eyes. Where are you? Rudain, where are you?
Yes, Mr. I'm with you.
You got it?
Okay, yes.
This
So
compound.
this contain so the compound eyes contains more units.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
And simple eye. Let's start to answer number 1. Salma.
The question is, which of the following lists contain only arthropods? B. Arachnids, crustaceans, and myriapods.
Arachnids. B. Arachnids and crustaceans and myriapods. Yes, because A, amphibian, no. And here fish, no. And here reptiles, no. So the correct answer, B. A. Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What's the correct order of arthropods groups from those with most legs to those with fewest legs?
Okay.
هي بس الأسئلة الصعبة اللي بتجيلي.
دي.
Okay.
طيب دي. Here insects 6 legs. Arachnids 8 legs. Crustaceans from 5 to 20. And here myriapods many. Okay, so the correct answer D. Thank you. Good.
Sir, هذا question. Sir, in the insects, it says it has a cuticle, waterproof cuticle, right?
Yeah, cuticle, yes.
And ants are insects, right?
Insects. Like
so why? Okay. So why ants die due to water?
Not all.
No, how, sir? Not all. When I see an ant, I give it
all.
water and they die.
حبيبي ما انت حضرتك غمستها في الوتر.
طيب
يعني طب فين الاير اللي هتاخده طيب؟ تو بريث اقل حاجه يعني تو بريث. فين الاير؟ انت كتمت نفسها مش عاوزها تموت؟ رد بقى انت. ابسط حاجه اهي. سيبك بقى من الكيوتيكل والكلام ده كله. لا ابسط حاجه انت غطستها في الميه. فين الاكسجين اللي هتاخده؟ في اكسجين؟ مفيش اكسجين.
طيب ماشي. طب النمل في طيب مش كل النمل بيشارك في الاولمبياد.
مش كل ايه؟
مش كل النمل بيشارك في الاولمبياد.
ماشي. حلو. ماشي. Thank you. محمد أحمد.
Yes, sir.
Number 3.
What is the correct?
I think the same. Number 3. The most legs to those or the fewest legs, we said myriapods, crustaceans, arachnids, and insects. Okay. 4. Sorry, 4. Answer number 4.
Okay. The diagram shows 4 arthropods. Which arthropod is an insect?
Focus, focus, focus.
I think it's the mosquito.
B or C?
B,
B.
because it have 6
Why B? Excellent. B, because B here, 6 legs. 6 legs. And here, 8.
Yep.
This is arachnid. And this myriapods, and this also like C.
Okay.
Or maybe as sorry, like crustacean. Number 5, Khulud, number 5.
Yes, sir. The diagram shows an arthropod animal. Which features are characteristic of all arthropods? It's A, jointed legs and segmented body.
Yeah. All. Why B is wrong?
B is wrong because not all of them have
A thorax separated.
yes.
Okay. And also C,
Yes.
because some of them no wings. Okay, and D the same. Thank you. Kunuz, number 6.
Okay, mister. Diagram shows 4 arthropods. How many of these arthropods are insects? So we've got arthropod 1, 2. There are only 2, so B.
Which one? The first one, this one, and this one. This is the crab, crustacean, and this also arachnid, no problem. So here 8 legs, and this is more. So it is wrong, not insects. Which group, Rowan, which group of organisms has following features?
All right, mister. Which group of organisms have the following features? 3
Yeah.
pairs of jointed legs, 3 pairs of segmented body, 3 parts of segmented, 3-part segmented body, 1 pair of antenna. It's the insect.
Okay,
See?
thank you. Fadi,
نعم أستاذ.
Fadi.
Yeah.
Yeah, number 8.
Question 8. Which are characteristics of insects? Have 6 legs, have 2 body sections. Have 6 legs, so B.
Yes. 6 legs. Why not A?
Because they have 3 body parts.
Yes, because
Head,
A,
thorax, and abdomen.
excellent. Because here 3 body is divided into 3 parts, not 2 parts. Thank you, Fadi. Excellent, Fadi. Why didn't raise your hand? Okay. Ahmed. Ahmed,
Yes.
Allah yahfaz.
What is a feature of both insects and arachnids?
Arachnids. Okay.
Arachnids. D.
D, 6 legs. Okay, let's see D. Insects,
Oh,
6
no,
legs.
no.
Arachnids, 8 legs. So it is not D.
C.
C, exoskeleton.
B. Mistakes happen. B.
B, compound eyes. No, insect compound eyes, but arachnids several of simple eyes. So B is not correct also. But I said all arthropods have exoskeleton. The correct answer here, C. Okay. عبد الرحمن. يوسف. يوسف أمير.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What is a characteristic in both insects and arachnids?
Okay.
Exoskeleton. B.
Exoskeleton, yes. This one, number 10, ensure number 9. It's
Yeah,
exoskeleton.
they are repeated.
Yeah. But different choice. Rowan?
Yes, mister.
Yeah. The diagram show an arthropod.
All right, the diagram shows an arthropod. How many pairs of jointed legs does the arthropod have? We should
يلا
count them.
عدي بقى.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
بصي اكيد مش 2 مش 20 مش 21 يبقى اكيد كام؟
Yeah.
من غير ما تعدي يعني.
40.
اوكي. اكيد يعني حاجه سهله بسيطه. لو انا عديت البير بقى 1 2 خلي بالك بقى ده انا بغلطك غلطه كبيره يعني. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 90 91 21. Okay, so sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 20 or 21 pairs. How many pairs? We asked about pairs. Okay, about pairs. Where is Rawan? Rawan.
Actually,
Yeah.
yes, mister.
Yeah.
I told you they're 20, but you just 20. They're 21 or 20.
20 or 21?
Yeah, they're 21.
20, why 21?
They're 21.
Why 21?
They're 20. Sorry,
Huh?
I counted the ends and all them.
Oh,
They're
why not?
20.
Okay, let's see the myriapods. One pair of antennae. Okay, one pair of antennae. But he asked about the pairs of legs. Let's count the pairs of legs again. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so the correct answer 20. Okay, Mahmoud Ashraf. Mahmoud. 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 طيب. No Mahmoud. Minna.
Yes, mister.
Now the diagram show an arthropod. Okay, Nuran.
Yes.
Answer to
Yes.
12.
Okay. The diagram shows an arthropod. To which group does it belong? It belongs in. Wait.
It is myriapods?
In
No.
D.
D? I asked you about it is myriapods? It is long body? It is many segment? No. So D it is wrong. Okay.
Yes.
Here 6 legs. Here 6 legs.
No.
No. Okay. Here, Anthony,
No.
no. So what is
So
the correct
it's
answer?
A.
A or B?
Yeah.
Let's compare between arachnids and crustaceans. Okay, no problem. Arachnids and crustaceans. Arachnids, no, Anthony. No, Anthony. Let's see crustaceans. 2 pairs of Anthony. So the correct answer what? Arachnids. Because arachnids, no, Anthony. Okay?
Yes.
It's a scorpion.
Okay.
Okay, so the correct answer A.
Yes.
Look at the features.
الأسئلة اللي عندي غير الأسئلة أنت
لا, I canceled some questions not related for worms, for annelids and the other types of worms, nematodes and annelids and so on. Nadir?
Okay, which feature is characteristic?
And this one also, I will cancel this one, but no problem.
Okay.
We can answer it. Which feature is characteristic of both annelids and arthropods?
Is it B?
B?
B, yes.
B.
Jointed limbs.
Jointed limbs. About annelids?
Oh, wait, segmented body.
Segmented body. Okay, segmented body. But also it is cancelled. Okay, it's cancelled. Let's see 14, Dana. The table show.
The table shows the numbers of animals collected in a sample from woodland and the groups to which they belong. How many arthropods in total in the sample have 6 or 8 legs?
6 or 8 or 8
10,
legs.
8.
We start with animal group arachnids. Arachnids 6 or 8 legs, or how many legs here? Arachnids. Arachnids have 8 legs. So we collect this number. Crustaceans from 5 to 20. So it is not. Insects, 6 legs. And this number. Myriapods, many legs. So add the total number of arachnids and insects that have 6 or 8 legs. So the correct answer is what? 90. Correct answer is 90. Okay, Ahmed. أحمد علي. طيب أوكي أحمد حازم. نوران.